Hey everybody, it's December 22nd, 2022. I am trying one-handed to put my second glove on with just my mouth and my hand so I can hold the phone and not drop it. Alright, going outside. Happy birthday, Mom. It's her birthday today, 12/22/22. Going to the front yard. Look how much snow is everywhere, you guys. This is mainly a video for my California family and Arizona family wanting to see how much wet snow we got out here in Cambridge, Minnesota. It's -7 degrees right now, and the phone app says that -7 is the temp, but with the wind that's picking up, it doesn't look like it right now, but with the wind, it's -27 degrees. Feels like temperatures, the feels like is -27. But even without the wind, it's still -7 degrees. Come on now, that's cold. But woo, lots of snow plowing. Using the snow blower for our driveway and hand shoveling too. Did a lot of hand shoveling last night. But man, Minnesota is currently Minnesota. Minnesota, at the Thomas and Mills house in Cambridge. Yeah, this is kind of dangerous cold weather where you can't stay out too long even with gloves on because they still get cold. Don't want to get frostbite, so I'm going back in. Alright, hope you guys are staying warm out there wherever you're at. I'll see you next time. Woo! Oofda! That was one long cold video.